So is this workshop for you? I don't know about you, but I hate waiting for something else to happen on the outside in the world in order for me to feel better. And examples of that would be to wait for the financial situation in the world to change. Another thing would be waiting for somebody to behave different and waiting for a relationship to change in order to feel okay. There are so many circumstances which we can wish and want to change on the outside in a hope that we feel better, in a hope that we get more clarity, in a hope that we're able to be more resilient in the moment. But waiting for something to happen on the outside is out of our control. And so this workshop is really about going in and cleaning up on the inside, cleaning up our own understanding, our own psychology, such that we get to live well, we get to feel well, even if circumstances and situations are uncertain on the outside. And it's incredibly liberating. We open ourselves up for insight so that we start to look through a completely different lens. And when we do that, it's really strange, but all sorts of opportunities and possibilities become visible to us. Yet all the time we were, if you like, blaming and judging others and situations for the way we feel. We have that resilience, but we don't seem to have as much access to it. So this workshop is all about going inwards, cleaning up, ensuring that we don't have as much psychological waste. And by that, I mean that we spend living minutes in states of mind which really don't serve us, and it's really innocent, but we don't know that we're doing it. And so I want to shine a light on our psychological waste, such that if we clean up on the inside, then we create a better world. We create stronger, more loving, more caring relationships. We create opportunities. We create possibilities in the world, things that we wouldn't have thought about before. So I really hope you can join me. It's part of the Sevenoaks Chamber of Commerce Business Boosters. And my session is on Thursday, the 9th of February. And I will put a link in the chat below. If you're interested and you're in the Sevenoaks area, then let's get together. It's going to be a really fun, enlightening time. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.